How to do a Temu Farmland glitch. So the Temu Farmland glitch is a method that some people claim to use to get unlimited referrals on the Temu app and of course earn free money. However, note that this glitch may not be reliable and there is no guarantee that you will get what you see on your screen. So now if I go for the earn free gifts and credit section, right now I don't have farmland but I have fishland. Both are identically same but just a different interface. So you're just gonna need to spin the wheel and you can win cash or clothes as well, and you will have the option of invite friends. Now once you click on the invite friend option, you just gonna need to copy your invite link and then you can modify the link. Now once you modify the link, you can then refresh your profile and you should see that you have one more referral and one more spin. Now this method might not work for everyone, but this is how you do it on the Temu, Farmland or Fishland.